Thank you so much.
आपके ईटानगर में एयरपोर्ट आ गया क्या? एयरपोर्ट
ईटानगर से
आएगा, थोड़ी देर में आएगा सर। 2020 में 22 में आ जाएगा सर।
आएगा
सर, आएगा।
2022
या 2022 में आएगा।
22 में आ जाएगा सर।
क्योंकि I have to come there ना. I'm your adjunct professor.
जी।
I'm your
Yes,
adjunct
sir.
professor. I have to come there.
Yeah, sure.
अच्छा सर।
I came long back 2014. 7 years are over.
जी सर। Yes sir.
I have to make another visit.
Sure sir.
Sure,
Sure,
Professor.
sure.
You'll
और
be
अपने
welcome.
वो भी लिखना है, बुक लिखना है साथ में. And we have to guide some candidate together.
You are always welcome.
शांतनु जी अनम्यूट करो अपना, उसको माइक्रोफोन अनम्यूट करो। शांतनु जी योर माइक्रोफोन इज अनम्यूट करो उसको। शांतनु जी आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही,
Yes.
उसको अनम्यूट करो भाई। आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही शांतनु जी।
बहुत झंझट है ऑनलाइन में.
हाँ सर झंझट तो है
Shantanu
सर।
sir,
क्या
you're not
करें?
audible. Shantanu sir, you're not audible, Shantanu sir. I
वो
think
सुन ही
you
नहीं
have
रहे आप
to.
क्या बोल रही है। शांतनु जी को सुनाई नहीं दे रहा।
Am I audible now?
अरे unmute. Dr. Chatterjee, you unmute.
I've unmuted it, but it's not coming.
Yeah, now
Hello?
coming. Now coming.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Now,
Okay, sir.
Now it's
yeah.
okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So, good morning to everyone. Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Pinakeshwar Mahanta, Director NIT Arunachal Pradesh, Professor D.P. Kothari, sir, Adjunct Professor VNIT Nagpur. My dear colleagues and participants, a very good morning to all of you. On behalf of Director NIT Arunachal Pradesh, Professor Pinakeshwar Mahanta, and the entire NIT Arunachal Pradesh administration, I, Dr. Santanu Chatterjee, Assistant Professor of NIT Arunachal Pradesh, want to welcome you all to the inaugural ceremony of the workshop titled Recent Trends in Electric Vehicles. Before starting the inaugural ceremony, I would like to publicly express my gratitude towards Professor Pinakeshwar Mahanta, Director NIT Arunachal Pradesh, for helping me organize this 5 days workshop on recent trends in electric vehicles. I would also like to express my kind gratitude towards AICT Auto Academy for providing us with the financial assistance in organizing this workshop. I would also like to thank the entire NIT Arunachal Pradesh administration, especially the Department of Electrical Engineering of NIT Arunachal Pradesh and the coordinating committee for their hard work in planning this workshop. Over the past few decades, the climatic change driven by CO2 emission has been a major concern for developed as well as the developing countries. The major part of this CO2-based emission is contributed through the rapid growth and utilization of IC engines in the public transportation system. Moreover, declining reserve of fossil fuels, oils, and rapid change in geopolitical scenario has forced the development of alternative and environment-friendly technologies such as electric vehicles. Following a decade of rapid growth, there are approximately 10 million electric vehicles operating worldwide in current scenario. During the post-COVID scenario, where the world witnessed an overall 16% downturn in the sale of vehicles, whereas on other hand, electric vehicle has registered a 41% increase as mentioned in the Global EV Outlook 2021. So, sir, is my voice audible to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Please continue. Yes, audible.
Please carry on.
Yes. So in this context, Europe remained at the top position, followed by the Republic of China, United States, etc., accounting for around 30 lakh electric vehicle sales around the globe. Though there is a heavy devastation worldwide due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the strong hold of electric vehicles can still be observed because of three main reasons. The primary reason is framing strong regulatories against CO2 emission and encouraging zero emission vehicles. The other reason include attractive incentives, countries' decline in the battery price, and expanded EV models. The total expenditure on electric vehicle worldwide by the consumers have increased to 120 billion USD in the financial year 2020, along with the government incentives increasing up to 25%, accounting to an overall 14 billion USD. That is why the electric vehicles has become so important in the recent context, and this workshop mainly focuses on different trends in development of electric vehicles. Now I would like to invite Professor D.P. Kothari, ex-director IIT Delhi, and presently honored as an adjunct professor in VNIT Nagpur, to bless us with his kind word. Over to you, sir. Thank you.
Why you are not told that adjunct professor in NIT
told,
Arunachal Pradesh? That is my better recognition today. I am adjunct professor NIT Arunachal Pradesh. That you should have told, not VNIT. Because I am one among you.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anyway, thank you very much for such a nice talk before the inaugural address. I am thankful to Dr. Shantanu. When I was there last time, he used to visit my guest house every day, and it was so nice. Any difficulty, let me know. I hope next year you are saying we will be shifting to the new campus.
Yes, sir.
Guest house will be new also, or same guest house?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next year, sir, it's year.
Guest house will be
We
new?
will shift our
Same guest house? New campus, new guest house, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
good,
sir.
good. So let me first thank the Honorable Director and Honorable Head of the Department and Dr. Shantanu, all my colleagues sitting there, including Deepaji, and I'm not able to read other names, only beautiful faces are there. Sharmaji, he was saying. So all those people, a very good morning, namaskar, vanakkam, adab, sat sri akal. So this is a wonderful topic nowadays. Electric vehicle. See, there are already 3 countries, they have stopped producing petrol and diesel vehicles. So they are killing people like corona, cancer, because of the pollution. The first electric vehicle came in India, Riva from Bangalore. Now Tesla has also come, and Hyundai has already brought an electric vehicle. The government has issued an order. All government organizations now here henceforth will be using only electric cars and electric scooters, even electric cycle, electric boat, everything electric. And charging is a very important topic in electric vehicle. We'll talk about it after inaugural address is over. So this is Atal thing is very good. In this Corona call, we are able to learn, meet people through this online thing and learn a lot of things through webinar. I have given about 100 webinar in India and 10 webinar outside India, Australia, Bangladesh, and then Saudi Arabia, Oman, and so on. So you can see that all details are given in the Facebook. Even this will come on Facebook so that everybody knows what is going on. My another request to you people is, your China is so near. Why not like VIT Vellore? You get 50 students from China every year so that you can get $2,000 per head. That's what we get in VIT Vellore when I was VC. I can give you the name of the person who can send you 50, and you are so close to China. It is almost walking from your Arunachal Pradesh. So you don't have to walk for a fight, but you can also walk for getting students. So Dr. Murthy is there who supplies Chinese students, and $2,000 per semester or per year.
चाइना ने करोड़ों लोगों को मार दिया इस दुनिया के अंदर.
नहीं तो अपन भी उनको मार देंगे यहाँ लाके.
नहीं, हमें दोस्ती नहीं करनी सर उनसे, बिल्कुल भी दोस्ती नहीं करनी हमें.
अच्छा नहीं करना है. वेरी गुड, I agree with you. But if you want आप फिर क्यों चाइना का गणेश का पन्ना, लक्ष्मी का पन्ना, क्रैकर्स, you're using everything made in China, including your cell phone. Why
सर
you are
हमने
using
लेना
them?
बंद कर दिया, चाइना की हर चीज स्टार्ट कर दी सर।
आप बंद कर दिए।
100%।
I'm quite happy to listen to this.
Yes, sir.
Then forget about Chinese students. We'll get from Bhutan, we'll
Yes.
get from Nepal, we'll get from Bangladesh.
Yes.
That is all right?
Yes, sir.
So Bangladesh, I have visited BUET, that is Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology. Very good university. There is another independent university in Dhaka, and there is one in Chittagaon. At least you can get from Bangladesh, because most of you are Bengali, and you know Bengali, they also know Bengali. So when I went to Bangladesh 3 times, they were very happy that you can speak Bengali. Boste pare, bolte pare. Erokom cholbe na. I used to talk to them. Badi kothay, like that. So they were very happy, and they invited me 3 times, and I will like to go there again and again. Wonderful. Their Dhaka is a very good city, just like your Kolkata. After all, they were same before 1947. That is a part of India only. So I agree with you people that let's not worry about China. We'll get people from other countries. There are so many other countries, including Pakistan. Nothing wrong with Pakistan. They invited me to Lahore, and they listened to me, pin drop silence. The topic was how to make that Punjab Engineering College an IIT. So I gave that 1 hour lecture. They were so happy. They put me in a 5-star hotel. They took me to the Anarkali market, which is very good market in Lahore. You feel as if you are in Old Delhi. Same dress, same food, same achkan, same chudidar pajama, everything same. Only language is also Punjabi and Urdu. I know 12 languages. So I want to tell all of you and students, if they are there, to know at least 5 languages. Your mother tongue, English, Hindi, French, and German. Then you can get job anywhere in the world. And each student and each teacher should read at least 1 English paper every day, so that your English is no way inferior to anybody in the world. Next, listen to the English news every night, so that your English improves. Communication is very important nowadays, whether it is in speaking communication or oral or in
Exactly.
writing. Because all of you, I want to write 1 book with me. I have already written 70 books. I want you people to write 1 book at least. I will be second author, you will be first author. It will publish in CRC Press, not in Indian publisher. Indian publisher don't give royalty. The foreign publisher give royalty in dollars. So because this Indian salary is not enough to sustain, you have sons and daughters, you have to marry them, you have to give them education. So you need money. Even 7th pay commission is, they are not giving DA also. They have told me that by September you will get up to 32%, from 17 to 32, almost twice. So that will be helpful, as far as the DA is concerned. Next thing which I want to tell you is funded project. You must be having in Itanagar Science and Technology Council of Arunachal Pradesh. Apply there, get 5 lakh. Parvailla, but don't worry. 5 lakh is good enough to start. You have to make it start, My first consultancy was 2,000 rupees, 1982. That 2,000 at that time is, today is 1 lakh. So that was the development of a program for BHEL on hydrothermal. I did that. And my first project was CSIR, 5 lakhs. So you can also apply to CSIR and get at least 5 lakh and 10 lakh. CSIR is in Delhi. You can apply to DST, and DST can give you 20 lakh, 1 crore, fixed project. NIT they give always. So there is no problem. There are 22 IITs, 33 NITs now. So there is a very good competition. So you have to, because the cake is same, you have to get the pie of that cake, everybody. So everybody is trying. So you have to also try hard. And it is better if you can get 1 person from IIT Guwahati also, so that, they will know that you can do teamwork. So 1 fellow from Tejpur University, 1 fellow from 2-3 from NIT Arunachal Pradesh, and 1 from IIT Guwahati. Dr. Praveen Kumar is there. He was my student. I taught him in IIT Delhi Energy Center. So you can ask Praveen Kumar also to join you. And he has done a lot of work in battery charging and electric vehicle. So you can submit a project on electric vehicle along with Praveen Kumar and Shantanu, yourself, your head of department, and any number, 5 people can be there maximum. More than 5, it doesn't look nice. Consultancy. I don't know whether there is a scope of consultancy in Arunachal Pradesh, but you must be having some industries, some place where you can give your advice. So consultancy also you can do. Like that, you have to earn money. Write a book, then write a paper, write a 100 project, consultancy. Get up at 4 a.m. You must be having sun in 4 a.m. because Arunachal Pradesh means it is the Suryodaya is very early. I have written all my books from 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. Wife sleeping, children sleeping, I am writing. So 70 books are over. Take one copy of each 70 books in your library. And if you can try to follow them in your courses, especially Power System Engineering 3rd edition 2019, Modern Power System Analysis 5th edition 2021, Electric Machines 5th edition 2017, Control System 2015, Circuit Theory 2017, Material Science 2013, Solar Energy CRC Press 2017, then Wind Engineering 2013, myself and Uma Shankar. Uma Shankar is in Saudi Arabia. Anybody wants to go to Saudi Arabia, I can send 2 people. Very good money there. So let me know after this lecture who wants to go. I can send you. See, after all, that is a tax-free income. There in Saudi Arabia, there is no tax. My 3 students are already there. Uma Shankar is there. So you can go and work there and come back in 1 year. Even if it is without pay leave, don't worry. I also went without pay leave to RMIT, 2 years. So if you want to go to RMIT, let me know. There are so many Bengalis there. Then if you want to go to New Zealand, there's a very good scheme. They give 50,000 rupees cash, free airfare, free stay, free food. You will get jhol maase, machli, chawal, सब मिलेगा उधर. पूरा बंगाली खाना मिलेगा, सिंगाड़ा मिलेगा, झाल मड़ी मिलेगा, सब मिलेगा. तो आप जहाँ जाइए और रह के आइए और download the application form from New Zealand High Commission. And Professor Neville Watson is there in University of Canterbury. Note down everybody. University of Canterbury, Christchurch. Christchurch is the name of the city where Ben Stokes was born. So he's playing with England, but he's originally a New Zealander. New Zealand just won the Test Championship. Somehow India lost. Anyway, so that is a match problem. Now we're talking academics. So kindly go to New Zealand, best country in the world to settle. And the Prime Minister is a lady who is a practicing Hindu. She goes to temple और वहाँ प्रसाद लेती है, चरणामृत लेती है, and she is very good. That's why there was no corona in New Zealand, hardly any corona. And New Zealand is a wonderful place. Auckland, there is a very good university. Then there is a Massey University in Wellington, windy Wellington. Windy, why windy? The wind is too heavy there. If you don't catch the pole, you will just go away on the sky. So that's windy Wellington. That's why the playing cricket is very tough in that town. So then if you want to go to Australia, then Dr. Swaminathan, not Swaminathan, Dr. Palanisamy is there in Melbourne University. He's my student. You can write to him. He will give you. Then Dr. Akhtar Kalam, with whom I have written Power System Communication and Protection, 2nd edition, New Age. So write to him. He is going to speak tomorrow, isn't it? Not here, not some other webinar. So you could have given him 1 hour or 2 hours.
Sir.
Dr. Akhtar Kalam.
Tomorrow only, sir.
Victoria University, Melbourne.
Victoria.
Then there is a LC Jain in Sydney. You can also write to him next time because they need a lot of money for 1 hour, not 5,000 like me. They will ask $500. You don't have that much dollar. In Atal scheme you don't have. But in NIT can fund. If they can give you 2-3 jobs to you, it's worth funding. So then if you want to go to Perth, there is a Dr. Nair who works in wind engineering. And there is a Bengali fellow called Dr. Devnath in Darwin. You can write to him. We taught together in RMIT. He is originally from Bangladesh, but he is a Hindu and he helps people. So you can write to him and tell him that we want to come there for at least 2 months in summer so that you can earn some dollars. Australian dollar is roughly same as US dollar. 60 rupees, US is 75 now. Then there is one Dr. Saha in Brisbane, Tapan Shah. So write to him. He was our student in IIT Delhi. I have one IEEE paper with him. So there is another Bengali, Arindam Ghosh. Write to him also. So all these people will help you in getting job, some money, some dollars, which will be useful to you to marry your daughters, marry your sons, and give them good education abroad also. I think then if you want to go to Oman, then Dr. R.C. Bansal is there. He is my student, Ramesh C. Bansal. I examined his 2-3 thesis. He was earlier in South Africa, University of Pretoria. That Pretoria is the capital of South Africa, very close to Johannesburg. And they also play a lot of cricket there. Then if you want to go to Imperial College, again another Bengali, Dr. Vikas Paul. And he is very much, he will help you in getting papers accepted in IEEE. He is editor of IEEE journal. I am also editor of four journals. You can send to my journals also. One is Acta Press, I am editor-in-chief. Then there is a IEEE Access, I am editor. Then I am Kolkata Journal, I am editor. Then there is another Iranian Journal of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Again, I am editor there. So you can send to my journals. I will definitely help you in getting your paper accepted. Then if you want to go to Norway, Dr. Mohan Kole is there. Mohan Kole was my student in IIT Delhi. So he will also help you in getting a job in Norway. They are very good countries, Scandinavian countries. Norway, Sweden, a lot of hydrothermal is there. Fish is there. A lot of fishes, different qualities of fish, which you have not seen in India. So you'll enjoy that. Of course, I am a pure vegetarian. I never even seen eggs, forget about eating eggs. But you can eat, no problem. You can eat eggs, you can eat fish. Of course, no problem. Fish means your hair will never become gray. It will remain black. There is one Kishore Kumar song. I don't know whether you know. Hamre Bangladesh mein har gori ke lambe baal. That was a movie from, I don't remember the movie, but he married the first wife was a Bengali only, from whom he got Amit Kumar. He also sings. Second, he had 4 wives. Madhubala second, third Yogita Bali, and fourth was Lena Chandavarkar, who also has a son. Anyway, let's forget about this thing, movies, and we'll talk about our inaugural address. So I am very happy to inaugurate this wonderful webinar topic, Atal topic on electric vehicles. And I don't want to take much of your time. I'll start my lecture after some time, say 5 minutes. It's how much time is there now? Yes, 11:31.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So thank you, sir. Thank you,
no,
sir.
What is that? I am a part of you. Thank you. उसको बोलते हैं ना, who is not with among you. I am a member of your family.
Okay, sir. Okay,
so,
sir. Okay,
anyway, you are thanking me, so I'm thankful to you rather for giving me this opportunity. I must thank the organizer and honorable director Mohanso and all other people, head department, deans,
yes, sir.
and your. When I was there, he was a head. Now he's a dean, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Pudu sir,
But he's not here.
No, sir. Now he has not joined.
Not
He might
here?
be having some personal work. Sir, Pudu sir, he's having some personal work,
okay.
sir.
Fine.
So
No
that's why
problem.
he could
No
join.
problem.
And moreover,
See,
sir,
work first, and this is.
Yes, sir. Professor Kumar Shankar
Okay,
and
sir.
Professor Akhtar Kalam, sir, both are there in this webinar, sir. Okay, sir.
अब आवाज नहीं आ रहा ठीक से.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So now,
प्रॉब्लम है सर, नेटवर्क की प्रॉब्लम है थोड़ी सी.
yes, sir. So now,
ये प्रॉब्लम इंडिया में रहेगी.
yes,
जब
हाँ,
तक
sir.
मोदी है, जब तक प्रॉब्लम रहेगा. 2024 में मोदी चला जाएगा. See, no
So,
students
ladies and
getting job, no
gentlemen,
teachers are getting. See, हमारा तो जॉब चला गया because of this corona. Now I am without job. That is why I was telling Shantanu to enhance my this thing honorarium. He says, sorry, I can't do that. I said, no problem. When he is secondary school,
thank
primary
you
used
for
to
your
talk to
kind
me.
speech. Thank
See,
you for
इसको हिंदी में
kind
बोलते हैं
speech.
मुक्त हास्य. आप जो अभी हंसे ना, इसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं मुक्त हास्य. मतलब without any boundaries, unconstrained laughter.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. Sir, now I would like to invite Professor R.P. Sharma, Professor of Department of Mechanical Engineering, NIT Arunachal Pradesh, to to deliver his speech. Now, over to you, sir. R.P. Sharma, sir, over to you.
My speech will be after
Thank you.
him.
नमस्कार सभी को.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir, your speech will be after this one only. After this one only, your speech is there.
Okay, okay,
After the
fine,
inaugural.
fine. Sure, sure.
Good morning, all of you. Esteemed chief guest of this workshop, Professor D.P. Kothari ji, former director IIT Delhi, dear faculty colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you all to this workshop on recent and semi-electric vehicles and congratulate for this significant participation. It is heartening to witness an event such as inauguration of workshop on recent trends in electric vehicles. It is imperative to note that battery electric vehicles accounted for too much of the stock in 2020. China with 4.5 million electric cars had the largest fleet, though in 2020, Europe had the largest annual increase to reach 3.2 million. The first part of 2020 saw new car registrations drop about 1/3 from the preceding year. This was partially offset by stronger activities in the second half, resulting in a 16% drop overall year-on-year. Notably, with the conventional and overall new car registration falling, global electric car sales so rose 70% to a record of in 2020. About 3 million new electric cars were registered in 2020. For the first time, Europe lead with 1.4 million new registrations. China followed with 1.2 million registrations, and the United States registered 295,000 new electric cars. With the advent of lithium-ion batteries and the newer technologies, that it is possible to have electric charging stations. Heartening to learn that in India, some companies, particularly some startups, are experimenting with the aluminum ion batteries. Soon we are going to have good news in this regard. The world is very fast shifting to electric vehicles and e-highways. Moreover, many countries have evolved with e-highways. The term e-highways stands for express highways. Also, it's electric highways. In India, we are going to have Delhi-Mumbai Expressway as the first e-highway, which will have charging lanes on both the sides. It is dream project of our Honorable Minister of Surface Transport, Mr. Nitin Gadkari. The fossil fuel petroleum reserves are very fast decreasing. Thus, it is challenges before mankind to cope up with the alternatives of energy. The thrust of electric vehicles will not only reduce our dependence on fossil fuel, but also this will minimize the pollution and quality of air around us. Once again, I convey my hearty congratulations for this significant and relevant initiative and wish you all the best that all in research and more learns with this added training and learning in these 5 days workshop. Lastly, I would like to thank
electric vehicles. ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಸಮಾಚಾರಪ್ಪ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ಯಾ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ? ನೋಡು ಹಿಂಗಿದೀವಿ, ಹಂಗೆ ಇದೀವಿ. 2 ತಿಂಗಳಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? 28 March.
Dear participants, please mute your microphone. Please mute your microphone now. It's creating chaos now.
ದೇವ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತು ಕಣ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೆ.
Dear participants, please mute your microphone.
November, December.
Yes, sir. Sharma sir, please continue, sir. Sharma sir.
hello, over to you, sir.
sir. Okay, sir. So thank you for your kind speech. Now I would like to request Professor Mihir Kumar Som sir, Department of Management, to say some words about this workshop. Over to you, sir. Som sir, over to you.
Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Audible,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, yes, audible.
It's audible, sir.
A warm and very good morning to our valued Honorable Chief Guest, Professor D.P. Kudari, former Director IIT Delhi, Professor R.P. Sharma, Professor S.N. Deepa, coordinators of the program, Dr. S. Chatterjee, deans, HODs, faculty members, staff, and all the participants and other distinguished guests. Electric vehicles in India are playing a vital role in coping with the challenges of air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. 5 of the 10 most polluted cities worldwide are from India. In winter 2020, India's capital New Delhi rolled out an ordnance selection scheme according to license plate number to minimize driving of personal cars exclusively to prevent the pollution of air quality because of the presence of smoke, according to Times of India 2019. The transportation sector is one of the major contributors of CHG emissions worldwide. Almost 50% of the global GHG and more than 20% of the energy related to carbon dioxide emissions are produced by the transportation sector. As per data of the World Data 2020, recently EVs have been emerging as a viable solution to clean and sustainable mobility, aiming to boost the city's economy, reduce pollution levels, and generate employment in the transportation sector. In 2019, sales of electrical vehicles grew by 15% compared to 2018, driven by EV sales in Europe, Germany, France, the United Kingdom, and Spain 93%, followed by China 17%, and the other countries 22%. According to the report of the Deloitte 2020, the number of the electric car worldwide climbed to 10.9 million in 2020, up by more than 3 million from the previous year. China remains the undisputed leader with the more than 5 million EVs in split, followed by the United States with 1.77 million automotive world report 2020. Despite the challenges fiscal year 2020, the EV industry posted a 20% rise over 2019 in domestic sales in India at 150,000 units, whereas the internal combustion engine powered vehicle segment registered an approximate decline of 34% against the same period in last year. Because of the unprecedented growth brings important challenges in terms of the charging infrastructure, coalition among developers, significant impact on electricity distribution network. India's transition to electrical vehicles, road transportation, and fossil fuels have been indistinguishably related to the past, with EVs succeeding only in a few niche markets. In recent studies, it has been seen that the world outside Europe, China, and United States is lagging behind in terms of the EV market exploration of various regions, like lack of government commitment, insufficient or unsuitable charging infrastructure, and cultural differences regarding mobility models, etc. Meanwhile, the difference of road transport mobility demands characteristics of India compared to other developed countries may be understood from the fact that two-wheelers contribute to almost 79% of total vehicle demand in India as per the report of the NITI Aayog 2020. Utilities from RE infrastructure, firms and government agencies are optimistic on the EV future and are working on ground level to create affinity towards EVs in the near future as demand shows. State governments are introducing electric minibuses for intercity commuters. However, the industry was beset with the economic uncertainty, the challenges of the transition of the BS6 norm and COVID-19 pandemic, nationwide lockdown, supply chain constraints, and labor migration, which further impacted vehicle sales across the world. Charging stations, high-level fast charging stations are being built on important routes throughout India. Considering charging station security, governments may consider installation beneath the hotspot for charging station. This station will minimize right-way issue as flyovers are especially built on the junctions of national and state highways. Hence, overall establishment cost will be significantly reduced with the wide access of consumers. The Bihar government has targeted 400 charging stations in the state on special routes and tourist spots. Focus is around areas where consumers generally spend an average of 1 hour during transit for food and rest. India has established its own EV market to meet its unique mobility demand, keeping up with global trends. India's trading EV market accounted for only 5,000 out of a total 2.4 million cars sold in the country last year, according to Hindu 2021. A lack of the local production of components and batteries, negligible charging infrastructure, and the high cost of EVs mean there have been few takers in the price-conscious market. Thus, EV users still consider an EV as an optional car for a planted trip rather than relying on it. However, EV sales have mostly been restricted to slow-moving two-wheelers and three-wheelers that do not require registration or license. This has certainly been a good step to disown the pollution-emitting vehicles. To boost demands and meet the government targets of EVs, Niti Aayog has divided a long-term proposal that incorporates some actions. Phase 1, that is action plan for 2017 to 19. The initial action plan focuses on influencing the government's position, business growth, economic opportunities, and the initial setup. Phase 2 action plan for 2020 to 2024 focuses on capturing business opportunities as they arise, assembling and implementing solutions through a broader geography package and creating initial setup. In order to meet these objectives, coalition among the strategic participants will be pivotal with continuous technological advancement. Phase 3 action plan for 2025 to 2030, bringing all economically feasible options together to achieve national goals. The Government of India initiated the faster adoption and manufacturing of electric vehicle of India scheme to promote the gradual introduction of reliable, affordable, and effective electric and hybrid vehicles in line with the action plan. The scheme's first phase was initially approved for a 2-year term beginning on April 1, 2015. From time to time, the scheme has been expanded, with the last extension allowed for a period up to March 31, 2019. The government has approved the FAME Phase 2 scheme in February 2019 with a fund requirement of Indian rupees 10,000 crores for the fiscal year 2020 to 2020. Economic Times 2019. Public charging station illustration of EV public charging station may elevate anxiety among drivers while looking for similar performances as IC engine vehicles by maintaining their existing activities. The charging infrastructure needs to focus on high transit routes with thorough survey considering a vehicle driver's safety, ease of access to location, malls and restaurants, walks in distance. On such example has been portrayed in different occasions. And last of all, I congratulate all of you, all the participants, those who are directly and indirectly present and associated with this program, and it is a matter of great pleasure that NIT is not only organizing IBS workshop on electric vehicles. I wish all the grand success of the program. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your fine speech. Now I would like to invite Professor S.N. Deepa, Madam, for his speech. Over to you.
Her speech.
Good morning. Most Honorable Director of our Institute, Professor Dr. Pinakeshwar Mahanta, sir, esteemed chief guest of today's inaugural address and who's going to give the speech, the most esteemed and honorable respected Professor D.P. Kothari, So IIT director, and how many laurels you have, sir, on your credit. So we are happy to have you here, sir, amidst all of us. Professor Shon, sir, so who's always behind the organizing of all these workshops. Professor Shom, sir, good morning. Professor R.P. Sharma, sir. So Shantanu, sir, who's organizing this at the right time about electric vehicles at the need for the hour, and all the other. Rajiv Jana, sir, is there, the HOD of the electrical department, Dr. Abhik Banerjee, and all the other deans and faculty members, and the most esteemed participants who have joined here to deliver to attend this program. So good morning. So currently, so if you see the fuel price, okay, so if you see the overall market price for the crude oil is increasing, and if you see Mumbai is taking the first place with its current petrol prices for July 1 being rupees 104.90 per liter, and the diesel price stands at rupees 96.72 per liter. So coming to close is next Bangalore, which is maintaining the petrol price per liter of rupees 102.11 and rupees 94.54 for a liter of diesel. So it is well understood. Yes. So the price. So if you see even in Tamil Nadu and all the states, so the petrol price is being increased, which clearly depicts the importance, the need for electric vehicles. See, always all the participants would know how the operation of the electric vehicle would be. So it operates with more electric motors, traction motors, which are used for propulsion. And the power source of those electric vehicles will be from batteries or solar panels or from fuel cells or from electric generators. So if you see currently, as we all know, Tesla. So if you see one of the prime force which has been in developing this is Tesla. And if you see in India, if you see, Tata is coming up with great technology. The most important technology which Tata uses for electric vehicle is Ziptron technology. So he claims, the Tata claims, see, this Ziptron technology, it is going to be the core for the revolutionary electric vehicles. It encapsulates all the virtues of Tata Motors electric vehicle technology. So they are telling, so it is breathtakingly shift, incredibly silent, extremely pocket friendly, and hassle free to run. And hence, the comfort it provides will also be in par with all the fuel vehicles. So at this juncture, so if you see all the dynamic charging is being done, Siemens and Elonrod are being in manufacturing the batteries for dynamic charging, etc. So everyone are focusing. All the companies are more and more funding is being given in this sector for startups, for funding projects, and organizing of these Atal workshops to make the world known of the importance of these electric vehicles. So I'd like to take this opportunity to congratulate Professor Dr. Shantanu Chatterjee for organizing this workshop on behalf of Department of Electrical Engineering, NIT Arunachal Pradesh, on recent trends in electric vehicle. So thanks to the entire team, and thanks to Dr. D.P. Kothari sir for his presence in this workshop. And so I think this workshop will be an eye opener for all of us to start with the startups or incubation centers and work more on electric vehicles related to motors on one side, related to batteries on one side, related to environmental friendly like pollution control, and how predicting the power which is being required, all those stuff, and how bringing artificial intelligence or expert system into these electric vehicles. So there are plenty of research opportunities. So I congratulate, and I wish this 5 days Atal workshop will throw light on the recent trends in electric vehicles. So I thank the organizers for providing me an opportunity to deliver in this inaugural address. Over to Shantanu sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much, madam. So at last, I would like to thank the chief guest, Professor Pinakeshwar Mahanta and Professor D.P. Kothari sir for giving us their valuable time. I would also like to thank my colleagues and the entire EE Department of NIT Arunachal Pradesh for attending the inaugural ceremony. I would also like to thank the participants for attending the inaugural ceremony. And as a coordinator of this workshop, I hope that the participants will be benefited and the knowledge will help them in their future course of research. Now, I would like to request Professor D.P. Kothari sir to begin his session now.
Thank
Over to
you,
you, sir.
Dr. Shantanu and Dr. Deepak for giving such a nice introduction to me and all others sitting there, including Sharmaji. I'm not named, so I'm not able to read here. So anyway, so we'll start. Can you show me the slide number 1?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, take your time. Take your time. Meanwhile, I want to. Students are also there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Students also.
So all students must appear in GATE exam. That is a must. Now third year can also appear. And once you appear in GATE exam, it is easy to become get admission in MTech or PhD. And I'll try to help you in getting a job in Power Grid. My student is there, Dr. Subir Sen. He is number 2. And once you pass a GATE, it is easy to get a job in Power Grid. And 3 months training, you will get there. 80,000 rupees per month. And then once training is over, then they get job. So
Sir, your microphone is muted, sir. Sir, sir, please unmute your mic, sir.
Hello, please mute your microphone. ये कुछ आवाज आ रही है घर से किसी के से प्लीज म्यूट योर
Everyone, please
माइक्रोफोन
mute your microphone. Everyone, we are participants. Kothari sir, please unmute your mic, sir. Please unmute your mic, sir. Your mic, your
कोठारी सर अपना माइक्रोफोन अनम्यूट कर लो कोठारी सर
Kothari sir, your mic
आपकी
is.
आवाज नहीं आ रही
Sir,
अरे
your
अब आ रही है.
हाँ sir,
आ रही है
हाँ sir, हाँ sir.
आ
Yes
रही
sir,
है.
yes sir.
Should I start from beginning?
Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
Because I told so many good things. So I must thank the Dr. Shantanu, Dr. Mohanta, the Honorable Director, and Deepaji and all other deans, head of department for giving me this opportunity this afternoon for talking to all of you on such a wonderful topic, electric vehicles. I was telling the students, they all must appear in GATE exam. Once they pass GATE, I can give them job in Power Grid. My student is there, Dr. Subir Sen. So he is number 2 there. So I told him and he told me, sir, if you give me GATE pass students, I'll give them job. So let me know once the GATE is over, whosoever has cleared GATE, I can give them job in Power Grid. Secondly, all students, all teachers must go for summer internship. INSA summer internship Bangalore and INE summer internship Gurgaon. They give railway fare plus 20,000 rupees maintenance allowance. You can work with me, any fellow, any IIT, any NIT, you can go and work, or any university for that matter. So you can download the form just after the lecture, fill it. INE need my signature. You can send it to me. I'll sign and send it to INE. This is for 2022 summer. 21 summer is over. Second thing now we are talking, yeah, he's showing me first slide.
Five minutes, sir. 5 minutes, sir.
Yes.
My net is a
Take your
little
time.
bit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Piolo.
Two minutes, sir. 2 minutes, sir. Just 2 minutes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Take your time. Any faculty, any student wants a recommendation letter, let me know. I'll give you recommendation letter. Because I am part of you. I can always give.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
This is Ravi Ranjan, sir. I'm doing my MTech from the NIT Calicut, and I have to
You're
do
doing
internship.
PhD?
No, sir, I'm doing MTech in NIT Calicut.
Okay, good. My student is there, Ashok.
Yes, sir, Ashok, sir.
Yes, he is my student. You can ask him any help if you want. And most probably, my student, another student will become director there. So there will be no problem. I can be your examiner for PhD also, for anybody. 7 days report, 8-day viva. Very good. Can you make it slightly dark? Very faint. Anyway, this first slide is only name. And you note down my number as well as email ID. You can ring me anytime. I'll reply 24 hours. And email you can give me anytime. Immediately I'll reply. Second slide. Yes. This is good. Benefits of driving electric cars. Types of electric vehicles. Electric vehicle charging. Charging locations. Myths and facts. These are the main points on which I'm going to talk. Next slide, please. Benefits of electric drive. Can you make it slightly big font? I can't read it. Possible to make it bigger and darker? Can you make it bigger and darker? Especially these blue slides. In fact, driving electric can save you more than 70% of fuel cost. Earlier speaker talked about the 104 rupees per liter. Nagpur also 105. I don't know where it will end. So we can't afford petrol car or diesel car anymore. We have to go for electric car or hydrogen car or fuel cell car or air car or water car. All these types of cars are available now. There is the air taxi also available. From Itanagar, you can directly come to Guwahati airport and go wherever you want. So air taxi is also going to come soon. Yes, very good. Save money. Plug in and spend for less than you do at the gas pump. Next, clean the air. Say goodbye to the emissions. Driving electric means no tailpiece emissions. There will be no white fume, no black fume, no fumes at all, helping to preserve the environment. See, environment preservation is very important. Otherwise, we can get corona, we can get alpha, beta, gamma, delta, cancer, asthma, anything. So to avoid all those things, best thing is not to use car. Best thing is to walk if you can. If your campus is close by, walk to the institute. I have been doing that whole life. So support energy. Third, take it up, slightly up. Yeah, support energy independence. Fuel your car with American-made energy. Electricity is made from largely domestic sources, helping to reduce the dependence on foreign oil. See, we import so much oil from Middle East countries, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Qatar. All those things we can avoid if you can have domestic, like even West can be burned and produce energy, hydrogen energy, small hydro, geothermal, MHD. All these things are given in my 5 energy books which are written. The best one is Prentice Hall of India, 2nd edition, renewable energy sources and emerging technologies. Then there is a solar energy book by CRC Press, 2017. Then there is a wind engineering book, 2013. Then there is a smart grid book, 2019. Another renewable energy book, 2020, New Age. So you can see that my CV is with Shantanu. You can, or anybody wants my CV, I can send you. Enjoy the ride. Next, please take it up, slightly up. Enjoy the ride. Feel the excitement of quick, quiet, and smooth acceleration. There will be no noise. Fact, electric vehicle owners tend to have higher satisfaction levels with their cars compared to non-electric vehicle owners. This is a fact. Yes, next slide please. Or maybe up if it is not complete. Is there any? Yes. Electric vehicle type. These are given there. You can see a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, PHEV, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, electric motor and ICE engine. Electric range is 10 to 40 miles. 1 mile is 1.6 kilometer. Extended range electric vehicle. Electric vehicle with extended range, all electric for 30 to 40 miles, gas generated for 300 plus miles. Miles is because of USA. USA people have told whole world convert to kilometer and they have not converted. They are still using Fahrenheit. We are all using centigrade. They are using Fahrenheit. Battery electric vehicle, BEV. Battery electric vehicle powered by electricity only. Electric range 80 to 300 miles. Can you make it just slightly up? थोड़ा ऊपर बढ़ाए, ऊपर कीजिए. हाँ, very good. 300. अरे चला गया, उसको पूरा नहीं हुआ वो भी. Yes, 16 to 85 kilowatt hour, zero emission. X Nishan LEAF Tesla का बनता है. All types are considered PEVs or plug-in electric vehicles. Today, there are 25 different models of electric vehicles, found with many more coming to the market this year. Tesla has come to India. So you will get Tesla electric car very soon. Hyundai is already available. Riva was the first car available. Next slide, please. Cost, electric vehicle charging infrastructure, AC charging, home, fuel, fleet, and public use. The DC fleet charging, DC fast charging, public and large fleet use. Type, level 1, level 2. This you can see. I don't know whether 120 volt for 1.4 kilowatt, 12 ampere. 120 volt. 120 is because of USA. We are to 220. 1.9 kilowatt, 16 ampere. Then 240 volts up to 19.2 kilowatt, 80 ampere, level 2. 3 to 5 miles charging time, miles of range per hour of charge. 3.3 kilowatt to 10 to 14 miles, 6.6 kilowatt, 20 to 25 miles, 9.6 kilowatt, 40 to 45 miles, 19.2 kilowatt up to 60 miles, DC fast charging, 200 to 500 volt up to 40 kilowatt, 80 ampere. 200 to 500 volt up to 100 kilowatt, 200 ampere. 40 kilowatt up to 120 miles, 120 kilowatt up to 300 miles. Yes. Next, you can read this left hand side also. All these things are given there. And then next, please. Next slide. Did you know most plug-in electric vehicles can be charged on a household outlet overnight? रात को जब आप घर आओगे तो रात भर में चार्जिंग हो जाता है. दिन में ऑफिस जाओगे तो वहां भी चार्जिंग हो जाता है. Vehicles can be charged in a number of ways, characterized by the speed of charge. Selection should be based on the characteristics and the typical needs of users. Next, please. Yes. Charging locations. More than 80% of residential and fleet charging is done at home. Home refueling charging overnight at home for personal vehicles and at work for fleet vehicles. Workplace charging is on the rise and supports electric vehicle adoption. So this is a facility given by your owner, your boss, your employer, so that you can charge your vehicle there. This you can see whatever is given here. Workplace, destination. Yeah. Residential, AC level 1 to 2, AC level 1 to 2, then at home. Public allows for mass adoption. Reduce range anxiety. Provides charge for those without dedicated home charging. Extends daily range. Home fulfilling charging overnight. तो हो गया था. Next, please. Yeah, common electric vehicle myths. Myths यानी लोग जो झूठ फैला रखे हैं लोगों ने. Myth is plug-in electric vehicles can only support short trips, not daily commuters. Wrong. Fact is, the average is 40 miles or less, and most full battery electric vehicles are targeting close to 100-mile range, that is 160 kilometers, on a full charge and with plug-in. Hybrid electric vehicles, you can go even further up to 300 miles or more. Myth, plug-in electric vehicles are not clean. Instead of burning gas, they run off at dirty power plants. Fact, even when emissions from power plants are taken into account, electric vehicles contribute significantly less greenhouse gases than traditional cars. This is true. Myth, electric vehicles are far more expensive than the average car. Myth, electric vehicles will make your energy bill go way up. Next, ऊपर कीजिए. ये तो हो गया. ऊपर मतलब नीचे से ऊपर. Fact, slightly higher electric bills are offset by savings at the gas pump. This would be like filling up for a few cents per mile compared to the average 14 cents for a traditional car. Fuses 14 ज़्यादा है बहुत. Fact, federal tax incentives are available. आपको पता है दिल्ली में केजरीवाल ने 1.5 लाख का सब्सिडी दिया है. If you purchase the electric car, you can also tell your chief minister to give you subsidy if you purchase. And 1.5 लाख इनकम टैक्स में भी कम किया है. 1.5 लाख वहाँ सब्सिडी है प्राइस में और 1.5 लाख इनकम टैक्स में कम किया है. Let this be throughout the India. Fact, federal tax, federal means central, tax incentives are available up to $700,500 as well as possible state and local incentives. Compared to the gas-powered cars, you will save on fuel, maintenance and repair cost. Next, please. So you can go for your, this is what I wanted to talk about the electric vehicle. Now I will have to talk on something else. Which topic? Any questions first before I talk something else? Two questions, eh?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, participants. Yes, please.
Any student, any participant, any
Hello, sir.
faculty, on any topic, how
Hello,
to go
sir.
abroad, how to write paper, how to write book, everything I can talk.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Sir,
sir.
Yes.
So this is
Boliye.
Chandrasekhar from Kongu Engineering College, Erode, Tamil Nadu.
You're from Tamil Nadu?
Yeah, Tamil Nadu, Kongu Engineering College, sir.
So today morning I had a lecture in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is my second home. I was in VC VIT Vellore.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I heard you. I followed you number of ways.
Okay,
Thank
okay.
you, sir. I have
Please
one
go
more
ahead.
question, sir. We
Yeah,
are
please tell
talking
me.
to number of electrical engineers in engineering college, but even our engineering students are not interested in buying or following the electric vehicles. Where we are lagging, sir.
Why? What happened? What is the reason?
So I also searched this number of times. I discussed with the students. They are
No, that is wrong. Whole world is going for electric car. Germany, Sweden, Norway, Australia, even India, all government cars will be electric now. Even private cars, because it is cheaper. And there is a subsidy, 1.5 lakh while purchasing and 1.5 lakh in income tax. Whatever bracket you are in, you will get 1.5 lakh less income tax. What else you want? And then no pollution. You won't get any asthma. You won't get any corona. You won't get any cancer.
Hello,
Yes,
sir.
please. I don't understand why they are not going for it. And even electric scooter is available. Electric car, cycle is available. And in China, there is a cycle ways. Like we have footpath, they have a cycle path. So that you can be separate. Nobody will come and hit you. And you will reach earlier than others at home, at the workplace.
hello, sir.
1/3 China goes on bicycle. Yeah. Yes, please.
This is Ravi.
Go ahead.
This is Ravi. Sir, I'm thinking about doing project about the which is related to the electric vehicle, and that will be related to the EMI EMC based compatible design of electrical vehicle. Will it be worthwhile to?
You are in Tamil Nadu. Where are you?
Sir, I'm Ravi Ranjan from NIT Calicut.
IIT Calicut or NIT Calicut?
NIT Calicut, sir.
IIT is in Palkad in Kerala. Every state only one IIT. And Kerala
Yes,
has
sir,
in
yes.
Palkad. Palkad is very close to Coimbatore.
Yes, sir. I am from NIT Calicut, sir.
NIT Calicut is good and NIT. I only made him NIT. When it was REC, I was the chairman of that committee to convert REC into NIT. Myself, Professor K. Chopra. And it is very far off from airport. Airport से बहुत दूर है आपका NIT.
Yes, sir. That is far, sir. Sir,
Your airport there been Air India accident also. So your strip is not good.
Yes, sir. That may be, sir.
There
Sir,
was
I
a
am
horrible accident of Air India. Yeah, you tell me what do you want?
Sir, I am doing my second year project that is the EMI/EMC based compatible electrical vehicle design. Sir, is it worthwhil
Who's your
doing?
guide? Who's your guide?
Dr. Sindhu TK, ma'am.
Good. So you can tell her that I will be your examiner.
Yes, sir. That will be great
Come to
opportunity.
Calicut and convey my regards to Ashok Kumar, Dr. Ashok.
Yes,
He was
sir.
my student.
He is the faculty of industrial power automation, sir, and I am from the high voltage engineering branch.
No problem.
Yes, sir. I have done his
Have you read my books or not? Have you read my books?
Yes, sir. At the time of preparation of GATE, I read that, sir.
GATE, I have a GATE book also. You can read that also. Tell your friends. It is Khanna publication. How to pass GATE.
Yes, sir.
And you should also appear in IAS and engineering services. All students who are listening to webinar should appear for IAS to become Secretary Government of India and IAS to become Chairman Railway Board.
So, sir,
there is no problem. There is one book on electric vehicle by CRC Press. Get that book in your library. Read that book.
Sir, mainly goods books are from the China only, and it is very difficulty to access them. That's a big issue, sir.
No, China, nothing wrong. I mean, China, we are not a friendly country, but if any good book is there, we should read. I've been to China 3 times. The Beijing University is good. Shanghai University is good. Though they have spread this corona, I don't know why. Maybe to make it sell their vaccine, perhaps.
Maybe, sir.
But if there is a good book, you should read wherever it is from. Knowledge can be taken from anywhere.
सर अब चाइना मत जाना सर, अब चाइना मत जाना।
मैं अब नहीं जाऊंगा, लेकिन हाँ, अब नहीं
चाइना ने
जाऊंगा।
करोड़ों लोगों को मार दिया, करोड़ों लोगों को मारा है पूरी दुनिया में, और चाइना से गंदी सिटी शायद संसार के अंदर कोई नहीं है, इसलिए हमें उसका बाइकआउट करना है, हमें उसका बिल्कुल भी सपोर्ट नहीं करना है।
I agree with you, fully agree, 100%.
यस सर।
बट उनके साथ उनकी तीन चीजें अच्छी है वो जो सीखना चाहिए। वन इज दे आर वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग।
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं सीखना, बिल्कुल सीखना ही नहीं है। उसने वुहान वायरस लाके नहीं और पूरी दुनिया में
करेक्ट, आई एग्री विथ यू, आई फुल्ली एग्री विथ यू, बट वी शुड वर्क 8 AM to 8 PM like them. Then we should also walk, we should use cycle.
Please.
That I agree with you, that is not good. बट वो आपका मोदी तो उनके साथ झूला झूलता है, उनके प्रेसिडेंट के साथ।
सर मोदी जी ने डिस्कार्ड कर दिया है, खिलौने बना रहे हैं सर। अब मोदी जी ने नहीं डिस्कार्ड कर दिया सर उसका, सर अब नहीं है,
कर दिया। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, आई एम हैप्पी नाउ।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल वर्कआउट कर दिया सर। यस सर।
अदरवाइज वो वहां पे मलेश्वर तमिलनाडु में जाके झूला झूल रहा था, गांधीनगर में भी झूला झूला
सर। वो वायरस था उससे पहले था, कोविड-19 था उससे पहले वाली बात है।
नहीं, you can become chief minister of Arunachal Pradesh. You are very diplomatic. I am very happy.
नहीं बनूंगा, मैं तो राजस्थान से हूँ, मैं अरुणाचल से नहीं हूँ सर।
तो कहीं जाओ, तुम बंगाल से हो, मुझे पता है।
अभी डायरेक्टर बनने की एज नहीं है सर।
एज धीरे धीरे बनता है ना, धीरे धीरे बनता है, इट टेक्स टाइम। हम भी शुरू में थोड़ी बने थे डायरेक्टर, शुरू में लेक्चरर बने थे, फिर एपी, फिर एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, फिर प्रोफेसर, फिर हेड, फिर डीन, फिर डिप्टी डायरेक्टर, देन डायरेक्टर। यू कैन सी माय सीवी। सी Rome was not built in a day, it takes time.
Hello.
Yeah, next question.
Hello, good afternoon, sir. I'm Shilpi Shah.
Good afternoon.
I'm Shilpi Shah from West Bengal. From West Bengal.
West Bengal. কেমন আছেন? ভালো তো?
ভালো আছি, হ্যাঁ স্যার ভালো আছি।
हमारे लिए मिष्टी दही लाए क्या?
অবশ্যই স্যার, মিষ্টি দই নিয়ে আসবো। বলছি
সন্দেশ, রসগোল্লা and মিষ্টি দही।
ওকে স্যার।
and झालमुड़ी।
ओके सर।
हम जब कलकत्ता रहते थे ना, it was 10 पैसा, now it is 10 rupees.
Yes sir.
बोलो बोलो।
Sir, I have one question. Which one is more suitable for India? Electrical vehicles or hybrid electrical vehicles?
No, electric vehicle, because we have all sorts of people. We can't afford more money. We are poor country.
But for our road condition and environment?
Road condition you have to improve. How can you improve? If you burn coal, ash is formed. Ash को गड्ढों में लगा दो, road will be better. And Gadkari is working very hard to make Indian roads good, better than foreign roads. He is a very good minister.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
और बोलो।
Hello, sir.
हाँ, hello. बोलिए।
Sir, for the higher studies related to the electrical vehicle in India, which colleges are good? I mean, if we are taking it as a research
के लिए any IIT, any NIT. IIT Delhi, you can work with Bhim Singh, you can work with Sukumar Mishra, you can work with Panigrahi. Then in IIT Madras, Mahesh is there, and IIT Kharagpur, Devpriya Das is there. He is my student. He is Bengali, he is a very good student. Then in IIT Madras, Bombay, Fernandez is there, AM Kulkarni, SV Kulkarni. SV Kulkarni is expert in electric vehicle. Then you can go to IIT Kanpur. My student S.C. Srivastava is there. And he was a deputy director earlier. Now he is working in PMU, phase measuring unit. He is very good. he has a lot of money also to give projects. So you will get fellowship. You can work with him also. You can take my letter to him and go and meet him. IIT Kanpur.
Sir, how I will get your
Otherwise,
letter, sir?
Praveen Kumar in IIT Guwahati, he has worked in electric vehicle. His one thesis I have just examined on electric vehicle. So you can go to him and work, ask him. Guwahati is not far up from Arunachal Pradesh, hardly 7-hour journey. Last time when I came, it took 8 hours, but now it should take less. हाँ बोलो आगे बोलो.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, my name is Venkatesh, sir. I'm doing recently joined PhD program in NIT Mizoram, sir.
NIT Mizoram, very good. Dr. Gupta is there?
Sir?
Dr. Gupta.
No, sir. In
Who is the
electrical
director
engineering.
there? Who is the head there?
Recently, sir, left, sir. Rajat Gupta, sir, left, sir.
Okay, no problem. So I can be your examiner as and when you submit.
Yes, sir. But actually, I'm.
जब आप सबमिट करोगे ना तो हम तुम्हारा एग्जाम कर लेंगे.
Okay. Sir, actually,
आपका रिपोर्ट दे देंगे 7 दिन में, 8वें दिन वाइवा.
Yes, sir. Sir, I joined recently, sir. Actually, my coursework is.
You will take 2 years, isn't it?
Yes, sir. So,
कोई
my
बात नहीं,
guide.
2023-24 में ले लेंगे.
Okay. Yes, sir.
और बोलिए.
Sir, actually, I'm my guide, sir, Dr. Pavitra Kumar Biswa, sir, told me to do the PhD in electrical vehicles, sir. Actually. So, how can you formulate the problem on that electrical
Problem, see, depends on what problem you want to form. Is it the efficiency problem? Is it a reliability problem? It is a cost problem, minimization of cost. Which problem you want to address? You can't address all the problems unless until you are using multi-objective function. Read my book, Power System Optimization, D.P. Kothari, J.S. Dillon. Second edition, Power PHI. I have given the formulation of the problem. So you can read that book. 2011.
Sir, can you suggest any person?
And you can contact me. I have given you my mail ID. I have given you my phone number. You can contact me anytime.
Okay, sir. Right.
I'll help you from Nagpur. Otherwise, you can call me there. I'll come by. Mizoram is the airport, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
तो गुवाहाटी आ जाएंगे, गुवाहाटी से मिजोरम आ जाएंगे.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
और बोलिए. Anybody from Nagaland? Anybody from Silchar? Anybody from Guwahati? Anybody from Andhra Pradesh, Telangana?
Excuse me, sir. Can I speak, sir? Ratan here from Chennai. Hello,
okay,
sir.
Chennai. Vanakkam.
Vanakkam, sir. Sir, this is the 4th time I'm listening to you. Luckily, all the FTPs which are in Atal I have registered. You are the inaugural speaker. So
okay.
So I have the last FDP at Annapurna Engineering College. Also, you are the inaugural speaker.
Yes. A few days back.
Few last week. So, like after that, we have designed an electric e-bike, sir. A cycle. We have fitted a
that is why I told you in the beginning of the lecture also. Electric bike will be very good. Fast.
No, we have
if you don't want electric, even geared bike is good. Gear लगा लो उसमें. You will be.
Yes,
I don't know whether you know. हिंदी तरीमा.
सर बहुत अच्छी तरह आती है सर. मेरे फादर आर्मी में थे.
अच्छा, मैं सोचा आप बोलोगे तिरियत.
No, sir. I'm very comfortable with Hindi. No problem.
Very
so
good.
the thing
so
is,
you can have the geared cycle ले लो आप. That will be very fast.
नहीं, जब हम लोग अपने साइकिल का डेमो दे रहे थे तो एक सर ने एक रिसर्चर ने हमको एक क्रिटिसिज्म दिया कि जो आप इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इसमें चार्ज करने के लिए आप यूज कर रहे हो वो जो है 7 times is more polluting than when you are using a diesel or petrol vehicle.
I don't agree. See, it depends how you are generating that electricity. You can always generate by hydrogen, by fuel cell, by waste material. ये थोड़ी है कि वो small hydro, so there is no pollution there. Hydro में pollution नहीं होता है.
Okay, sir.
The biggest hydro power plant in India is in Tehri, 13,000 megawatt, Uttarakhand. I am a chairman board of governors of that college. So आपके
Okay,
कॉलेज में
sir.
मुझे बुलाओ चेन्नई में, I will come.
Yes, sir. We will have you, sir. Surely, we will invite you, sir.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you.
Sure,
Sir.
I'll come. Welcome. और कुछ any other?
Anyone else? Please ask question to Kothari, sir.
Yes.
Anyone else? Please ask question to Kothari, sir.
Hello, good afternoon, sir.
You won't get this opportunity again.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, sir.
Unless
My name
until
is Sachin.
Shantanu calls me once again.
Yes, sir. Definitely, I'll call you.
Hello, sir.
हाँ बोलिए.
Hello, sir. I am Shudip from Durgapur, sir, Bengal College. Sir, I want to ask a
Durgapur.
question. Durgapur, sir.
কেমন আছেন?
ভালো আছি স্যার।
ভালো তো?
হ্যাঁ
আচ্ছা
চলছে স্যার,
दुर्गापुर
ঠিকঠাক
NIT?
করোনার মধ্যে যা চলা যায়।
हाँ नहीं कोरोना ठीक हो जाएगा. Don't worry. You are in NIT Durgapur?
No, sir. I'm in working as an assistant professor in Bengal College of Engineering and Technology, BCET Durgapur.
So you can also hold one webinar for your college. When you go back, you can ask your head to arrange one webinar for me.
Okay, sir. Of course, I will ask, sir. Sir, I have a
And
question,
whatever
sir.
topic. Yeah, बोलिए.
Sir, I have come through that device which is the electric jogging bicycle in which the
Oh, very good. That will put India in a very healthy condition.
What is the efficiency of that, sir? Means if I go through all the processes.
See, any efficiency depends on input and output. What
Yes,
input
sir.
you have to give and what output you get.
So sir,
So
in
if you get a good
jogging,
output means
whenever we are
jogging means
jogging,
कितना
sir,
jogging नहीं कितना
all-
jump मार सकते हो 1 minute में. That is
ना,
important.
मैं इतना बोल रहा हूँ सर, वो क्या फिजिबल है इंडिया के लिए? वो तो आउटसाइड का प्रोजेक्ट है, मैं देख रहा
हाँ
था सर।
इंडिया के लिए feasible है. इंडिया के लिए बहुत feasible है.
उसका सर आउटपुट और इनपुट जो है वो कैसे कैलकुलेट करें? मतलब हम लोग जो जॉगिंग के थ्रू दे रहे हैं उसको तो बैटरी को चार्ज करना पड़ रहा है अलग से सर. ओके,
हाँ तो चार्ज का पैसा कितना है वो देख लो और उसमें हाउ मच एडवांटेज यू गेट आउट ऑफ जॉगिंग, हाउ मच वेट यू आर रिड्यूसिंग, हाउ यू आर कीपिंग योरसेल्फ हेल्दी, व्हाट इज योर ब्लड प्रेशर, व्हाट इज योर पल्स रेट एटसेट्रा, और ऑक्सीजन लेवल, ऑल दोस थिंग्स. सो यू हैव टू हैव अ मल्टीपल ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन.
यस सर, मतलब हम लोग को एडवांटेज जो है हेल्दी लेवल में देते, हेल्थ लेवल में देखना है सर.
श्योर. So that you can read that book, Power System Optimization. उसमें दे रखा है हमने मल्टीपल ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन.
ओके, थैंक यू सर.
वेलकम. Yes, anybody else?
Sir, good afternoon.
Hello, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Sachin. I am presently pursuing MTech in NIT Arunachal.
थोड़ा जोर से बोलिए, आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
Hello.
Can you be loud?
Hello, sir. Is it audible?
Now audible.
Yes, sir. I am Sachin from Karnataka, sir. I am presently pursuing
कर्नाटका.
MTech in
Okay.
Arunachal Pradesh.
केन समाचार?
Hello.
केन समाचार? नमस्कार.
हाँ sir. Yes, sir. नमस्कार. Yes, sir.
बोलिए.
Sir, presently how solid state transformer is beneficial in electric vehicle charging station. I'm
नहीं क्या बोला? Presently?
Sir?
Presently what?
Sir, solid state transformer, sir. Smart transformer, how is beneficial for a EV charging station?
Can you write it? I am not able to understand. Can you write it down? Yes.
Sir.
Where you are writing? कहीं लिखा है आपने?
Yes, sir. I'm there.
Please take your time. I have no time problem. शांतनु जी के लिए I have enough time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Venkatesh, you are writing travel. अरे चला गया. Let it be there for a few minutes.
Hello.
I am an old man, you know.
Yes.
I take time to read it.
Sir,
Taro. Sachin, good morning. How solid state transformer is beneficial for what? Beneficial for what?
charging station.
ये
EV charging
बार-बार
station.
क्यों चला जाता है? हाँ?
And he has asked, sir, how solid state transformer is beneficial for EV charging station.
Very, very beneficial.
Charging station.
See, anything solid state is very important. Whether it is a what you call inverter, converter, solid state transformer is very good, and it will be. It depends how much costly it is, from where you have purchased it. Have you yourself made it or purchased it? Power electronics, you can see Philips book, Ned Mohan book, Rashid book, Vimra book. All these books are important.
Yes, sir.
And you can read the Bhim Singh papers. Dr. Bhim Singh of IIT Delhi. He has done a lot of work in solid state devices. Or you can write him a mail also. He will reply to you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Welcome, welcome. और बोलिए.
Anyone else? Anyone else who can ask question to DP Kothari, sir?
You can also write to me a mail or ring me whenever you want. 24 hours. Just say Arunachal Pradesh and I'll answer. Number is 7972723202. ये सेल नंबर है. And mail ID is dpkvits@gmail.com. हमारा CV दे रखा है विकिपीडिया में या गूगल में.
Dear participants, can you please switch on your camera so that we can make a photo session?
Yeah, that is right. And please send me one copy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
मेरा फोटो उधर है, लाल कलर का टी-शर्ट है.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yours is
Yes,
coming,
sir.
हाँ, बोलो.
सर ये आगे क्या रखा है आपने?
ये तो वो है
ठीक सर.
हैंडसेट. चलो हटा देंगे.
हाँ इसको पीछे कर लो सर,
नहीं,
इससे
हटा
फोटो आ
देते.
जाएगा आपका. ठीक.
आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता तो हटा देते हैं. शांतनु जी को चाइना अच्छा नहीं लगता है.
नहीं अच्छा तो लग रहा है सर, अच्छा लग रहा है, लेकिन आपका फोटो आना चाहिए ना सर.
बिल्कुल सही बात
शांतनु
है.
जी.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
फोटो लो.
ले लो.
So participants, please switch on your camera so that we can take a snap. Please switch on your camera. All of you, I'm asking, please switch on your camera so that we can take a snap.
दीपा मैम कहाँ चले गए?
दीपा चली गई.
Deepa madam, actually sir, Deepa madam expired.
नहीं है सर.
हैं क्या हुआ?
Deepa madam father has expired just 2
Oh, very
days
sad.
ago. Okay.
Very, very
That's
sad.
why. Yes,
Please
that's
convey
why.
my condolences to her.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And in spite of that, she has given her talk. That's great.
Oh,
man.
that's great of her.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You
Please
kindly
switch on-
send her number to me. I'll talk to her.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely. Definitely, I'll give.
डॉक्टर साहब फोटो लो.
Yes, sir. Yes. एक second, sir. एक second, sir.
Please.
Snapshot में. Screenshot এখানে হচ্ছে না.
सिर्फ एक आदमी ने मास्क लगाया, बाकी नहीं लगाया. वेरी बैड. मैंने भी नहीं लगाया.
सर अकेले बैठे
वो
घर में
हटा
क्या
देते
करेंगे
थे.
मास्क लगा के? नहीं.
हाँ. वो हटा देते मास्क, जैसे वो हटा दिया हैंडसेट.
Now people are putting on their masks. Okay, stay in home and stay safe. That's a great thing.
Yeah, that is right. Keep washing hands. Sanitizer, 2 मीटर की दूरी. हमारा तो several thousand किलोमीटर का दूरी है.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
सर अभी कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं सर आप? कोठारी
नागपुर
सर?
नागपुर नागपुर और ऑरेंज
अच्छा
सिटी।
नागपुर से हैं। ओके,
आप आइए नागपुर में, हमारे यहाँ ठहरिए।
बिल्कुल आएंगे सर, बिल्कुल आएंगे। श्योर सर, श्योर।
जरूर जरूर।
जी सर।
For your kind speech. And sir, we are really grateful to you to have you with us. And it was
Thank
an
you, my
amazing
pleasure.
speech. Yes, sir, and it was an amazing speech for your behalf. It means the participants, I feel, not only gain knowledge, but they also gain some links how to do their research and all. And you have shared
Yes,
your
yes.
vast experience, Professor.
नहीं, नेक्स्ट आवर एक कोई दोगे, उसमें बताएंगे पेपर कैसे लिखना है, बुक कैसे लिखनी है। Another 1 hour you can fix.
Yes, that will be useful, sir. That will be
Yes.
very useful.
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल तो हर आदमी जानता है, बट ये चीजें नहीं जानते हैं। दिस इज माय 52 year of experience, non-stop.
Yes, sir.
I started teaching in 69, now it is 2021. 52 years of non-stop teaching, research and administration. I'm the only Indian who has been
Yes,
IIT
sir.
director, NIT director and vice chancellor.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
70 books, 830 papers, 70 awards, 39 countries visited, 57 PhDs guided, and God knows what else. You can see in Google.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
प्रणाम
Yes,
आपको
sir.
सर।
So participants,
then.
do you have any questions to Kothari sir? Do you have any
हाँ जी।
questions to Kothari sir? Please ask him once.
लगता है सबको भूख लग गई। 12 बज 12:30 बज रहे हैं ना, और
Yes, sir.
इसमें जल्दी
12:30
खाना
हो गए
खाते
सर।
हैं, क्योंकि सुबह जल्दी होता है ना, 4 बजे।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
तो शांतनु जी,
हाँ सर, बोलिए सर।
ओके हो गया?
हाँ सर। Thank you, sir. Thank you for
नमस्ते
joining the
करो कोठारी
session.
साहब
Thank you
से।
very much to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you
Namaste
very much to
every
all
one
of
of
you.
you.
And
Okay.
let us enjoy the remaining part of the year without corona, without alpha, beta, gamma, delta.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू, थैंक यू। नमस्कार
Thank you
सर,
very much,
सबको
sir. Thank you
नमस्कार।
very much.
Namaskar. Bye.
Okay. Thank you, sir. So this is the end of the session 1. We will be entering the session 2 sharply at 2:15 p.m. Okay, and we have with us in the next session Professor T.K. Saha from NIT Durgapur. He is also specialized in the field of electric vehicle. And after that, in the evening, we have Professor Ned Mohan. Professor Ned Mohan from University of Minnesota. Okay.
Please convey my regards to him whenever he comes.
Definitely, sir. Definitely, sir. Definitely, sir.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank
sir. Ned Mohan sir also keeps talking about you, sir. Actually.
Okay.
He also said that Kothari sir is coming, so it's a great pleasure for us actually. Okay. So I would, so as because we have lots of foreign speakers, so most probably few part of the session will be continued in the evening also. Okay. So
Sure.
okay. So please bear with me so that we can conduct the session quite smoothly. Okay. So thank you for.
Okay then. Namaskar.
One. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
then.
Thank you.
Bye.
Sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
Stop करो.
हो गया?
हाँ सर, हो गया सर.
Okay then.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome.
Okay, sir.